Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have these two Eclipses and it's an update what is going on the carbon fiber Eclipse and as well as GSX. So carbon fiber Eclipse doesn't have no bumper or headlights, and the reason why is because there it is, the front bumper has been painted a couple of hours ago, and check this out. It's actually shiny. This paint, this clear actually is actually an airplane clear. I got my good buddy hooked me up with that. I used to work at aircraft painting facility, so he got it from there. But anyway, I painted that. That takes about 15 to 20 hours to dry. It takes a while. I like it because it's really hot here and slow cure time. It's better for me. But anyway, this Eclipse is, I already got the remove hood latch remove. My pins are getting here pretty soon, so I will have a couple of videos installing those pins. So that's pretty much on that Eclipse. Transmission is, because the transmission on this car, once I rebuild it, it has to relearn itself. Pretty much relearn how you drive and how you shift and all that. So that transmission is doing really good. I redid the bottom support and the mounts on that car, and now the engine don't shift at all when you switching gears and all that. So that is working really good on that car. I decided I'm not gonna run a panels. Let me show you that part actually on the doors, because the doors are carbon fiber, so the panels are kind of putting weight on it, and then that's messing up with aligning and all that closing. So I am actually removing these, and I'm gonna make a carbon fiber cover over here with a I will actually install the switches and everything. I might remove the speakers. So other than that, this car is doing really good. Super happy. Alignment is done. I fixed the alignment, and what else? The alignment is done, so tires are not being eaten up and chewed up, whatever you want to call it. I do have a small crack over here. I don't know if you can see it right there, but this is a cast manifold, so it's gonna be pain to weld it, but I'll try to weld it with the TIG. And one other thing that I have to work on is this front lip on the side skirt. As you can see, those clips are broken, so I got plenty of those. So once I install the bumper and the headlights, I'll work on that as well. The headlights, because they're new and they're plastic, I will be clearing them as well. So I will have to do, because the sun will damage them. GSX Eclipse, what are we doing with this one? Side skirts are installed from the Eagle Talon. The hood is, I found the hood from the Eagle Talon as well. Fenders I'm gonna use from this Eclipse. That's working really good. I already tested it. It's same. I rotated tires in the back so they don't sit for a long time in one spot and make them flat. Then after I pull this thing out, I will be pulling the engine out of that one, out of GSX, and then I'll be working on GSX engine. I have a spare one right here, the engine, and then I'll be working on that. That should be done in about a week. So in about a week, that should be inside here, and I should be working on it. One other thing about that one is I'm still debating on the color of the car. I guess it's gonna be a surprise. But anyway, that one is everything is alright. I just have to get the suspension going and change a bunch of other stuff. And yeah, she is almost ready to be put inside here and get painted. Like I said, I have a lot of updates on the orange Eclipse coming up. A lot of things that I purchased that will be installed on it. This is off of that junkyard motor. I still have a couple of carbon fiber projects that I'm working on as well. These are the headlights that will be installed, and look at that. Look at that beauty. So clean. I can see myself in there. Look at that. But anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick update on that, as well as I'll be doing some minor stuff on these heads and engines, as well of the carbon fiber. I am planning actually to start making a carbon fiber series where I make different things from the carbon fiber and from Kevlar and all that. So, yep, stay tuned for that. Of course, this I will not probably film it to the install, but no big deal. This is not a that special of a thing. It's not that hard. But anyway, again, huge thank you guys for 600 subscribers that I just hit. Super excited about that. Never thought that I will actually get there, but hey, I'm here, and thank you guys again for subscribing and staying with me and supporting me. Again, of course, if you're new, consider doing that. Like it, share, and stay safe, guys. I'll see you next time. Laters.